So let's start and understand as from our scientific understanding what is solar eclipse and what is lunar eclipse, sun eclipse and moon eclipse. What I'm showing here on the screen, the sun there and earth in the middle, and earth going around the sun in an elliptical path and moon going around the earth in an elliptical path, that we know. Okay, though I have written very long ellipses, but in reality it is almost a circle-ish kind of ellipses, slightly elliptical. Let's see how moon goes around the earth. Moon goes around the earth like this. Okay, you can see it goes around the earth like this. If the moon is somewhere there, okay, what I am showing there, okay, if the moon is there, you can see that there is earth, moon and sun. Moon is in the middle of earth and sun. So if you are standing on the earth to see the sun, actually moon comes in the way. Okay, you can't see the sun. So solar eclipse happens. That means you can't see sun, that is solar eclipse. And whenever the moon comes on the other side of the earth, then what happens? Why do lunar eclipse happen? You can see the moon, you can see the sun, isn't it? But think about this. We see moon only because sun's light falls on it. It's like an object which you keep in the room. Okay, you can see it only if light falls on it. Otherwise you can't see the object. It doesn't have its own light. So moon, when it is here, the problem is the earth is in the way of light coming from sun directly to moon. So what does it mean? That means earth's shadow falls on the moon. When earth's shadow falls on the moon, you can't see moon. Okay. That is when, or you can see a dim moon. Okay. That is what we call lunar eclipse. Now that we know when solar eclipse happen, when lunar eclipse happen, but wait. Okay, I will ask one question. How much time moon takes for one revolution to go around? You know the answer. So we did it in the last class, the first video. So it takes 27.3 days. Call it, let us say, 1 month, approximately 1 month. Okay. So you know why month is month? Because it is moon. Okay. Moon takes one round and hence it is month. If that is the case, so the question now, how many eclipses can happen in one revolution? So look at this. Moon goes from here to here, then goes down, comes up, goes here. So once in a month it has to go there, it has to come here. That means when it is actually here, it is basically called as Amavasya, and when it is here, it is Paurnime. Okay, or in English you call this as a new moon day and this as full moon day. Now we know that most all the lunar eclipse happen on full moon day, which is consistent with our understanding. And all the solar eclipse happen on new moon day. That is also consistent with our understanding. But question basically is that in every month, since it goes like this, okay, every month we have to have one solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. On every full moon day, there must be a lunar eclipse. On every new moon day, there must be a solar eclipse. Does it happen? Think about it. Does it happen? So, how often do eclipses happen? Do they happen in every month? When I asked this question to many people, people were saying that actually it happens every month. Maybe some other part in the earth. Now maybe in Arabian Seas, maybe in Pacific Ocean, or maybe in some other place in Australia it may be happening. I don't know, but it is not happening in my place every month. So this is what I was told. Then if you go through details, you will realize that that is not true. It doesn't happen every month. So how is it possible? They come in a line, but still eclipse does not happen. Can you think about it? Why it doesn't happen? Let's now explore that.